Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making pulled pork in a Dutch oven. If it's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. For this pulled pork we're just using a store-bought pork shoulder, nothing fancy about it, it's not been injected with anything. We're going to rub it with Angus Oink The General. We're just going to make sure that this pork shoulder is covered with a good seasoning of The General. Don't forget to do the sides. Flip it over. Now I'm just going to pat it in, make sure it's stuck. So that's our pork shoulder ready to cook. So we're going to see if we can introduce some smoke into this. I've got this wood chip box with some oak wood chips in. I'm just going to put a lit briquette in and see if we can generate some smoke. We're going to place that inside the Dutch oven. We're going to put the lid on. And then I've just got a rack that I'm going to sit on top that the pork shoulder will sit on. I'm going to put the pork shoulder in. I don't want the pork to be touching the side of the Dutch oven. So once that's in, I've got these. This is a lid spacer because I want to get rid of some of the moisture and allow the smoke to be able to flow. So I've got the Dutch oven table. I'm just going to put some lit briquettes on. I think there's about 23 here. So now I need to arrange them. I'm looking for 7 on the bottom. Put the Dutch oven on. And now we're going to start loading the top. If you have a YouTube channel, would like a shout out on my channel, all you got to do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. Then I'll pick one YouTuber out, give them a shout out and also put my link up in the end card. So now we've got 16 briquettes on the top. So this week's shout out goes to Dave's Diversions. Go and check his channel out. There'll be a link up in the end screen. So this has been cooking for about 3.5 hours now. I've had to reload the lid once. I've got an IT of 93 degrees. So this pulled pork is now ready. So I'm just going to remove the pulled pork now from the Dutch oven, and I'm going to wrap it in foil. I want to rest this for about an hour. So I've got 2 layers of foil here. And first of all, what I'm going to do is wrap it one way, and then I'm going to wrap it the opposite way. That's that one way. And I'm going to wrap it the opposite way. This is just so nothing leaks out of the foil. Now you can sit this in a cooler for an hour. All I'm going to do is just wrap it in an old towel and let it sit here on the bench for an hour. So now it's time to test if this pork shoulder will pull. I've got some bear claws and we're just going to pull this apart. Yeah, it's pulling nicely. It's got a bit of a bark on the outside, not much of a smoke ring. I think this is because the wood chip box got kind of drowned in the cooking juices. I could continue and do a fine pull, but I'm just going to leave this as it is. So this is my Dutch oven pulled pork. Pork shoulder cooked in a dry Dutch oven with A&O The General rub. It's got a nice bark on it. It's got a little bit of a smoke ring, not much. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.